Welcome to Top 5 Tray. Are you on the hunt for a new microwave that combines style, functionality, and efficiency? Finding the perfect microwave can be tricky with so many options out there. Whether you're looking for a compact model for quick snacks or a larger, more powerful unit to handle big meals, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll be exploring some of the best microwaves on the market, including models from BLACK+DECKER, Panasonic, TOSHIBA, and Bosch. Each of these has unique features designed to make your life easier in the kitchen. So, which one is right for you? Stay tuned to find out which microwave stands out and why it could be the perfect addition to your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Top 5 Tray for more great reviews and kitchen tips. Number 1. Bosch Over-the-Range Microwave. The Bosch HMV 5053 U30-inch over-the-range microwave is a high-quality kitchen appliance designed to make cooking easy and enjoyable. With a spacious 2.1 cubic feet capacity, it provides plenty of room for all your cooking and reheating needs. Whether you're defrosting meat, heating leftovers, or popping some popcorn, this microwave is up for the task. It packs 1,000 watts of cooking power, so your meals are heated quickly and evenly. One of its best features is the built-in exhaust fan, which helps remove smoke, steam, and odors from your kitchen while cooking. The touch control panel is sleek and simple to use, with pre-programmed settings for common foods. Plus, the large LED display allows you to monitor cooking times with ease. Priced at around $550, this Bosch microwave might seem like an investment, but its premium features and quality make it well worth it. It's more than just a microwave. It's a multifunctional appliance that brings convenience and style to your kitchen. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with a reliable, sleek, and feature-packed microwave, this Bosch model is an excellent choice. Click the link in the description to grab this microwave at the best price today. Number 2. TOSHIBA Countertop Microwave Oven. The TOSHIBA 131A5 EMC-BS Countertop Microwave Oven is a smart, reliable addition to any kitchen. With a 1.2 cubic feet capacity, it has plenty of room for all your cooking and reheating needs, whether you're preparing dinner, warming up leftovers, or popping some popcorn. Its sleek black stainless steel finish gives it a modern look and is easy to clean, blending seamlessly with any kitchen decor. This microwave packs 1,100 watts of power, ensuring your food heats up quickly and evenly. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring a large digital display and easy-to-press buttons. You'll love the pre-programmed settings for popular foods like pizza, potatoes, and veggies, which make cooking hassle-free. Plus, its sensor cooking function automatically adjusts the time and power based on the food, so you get perfect results every time without any guesswork. One of the standout features is the 12.4-inch glass turntable, which helps distribute heat evenly. It also has a convenient one-touch start for quick cooking and a kitchen timer for added flexibility. The microwave's sound on-off option is perfect if you prefer a quieter kitchen. Priced at around $150, the TOSHIBA EM131A5 CBS offers excellent value for its features, style, and performance. It's durable, easy to use, and packed with smart functions to make your daily cooking effortless. If you're ready to add a powerful and sleek microwave to your kitchen, this is the one to get. Don't forget to buy this from the link provided in the description. Number 3. Panasonic Microwave Oven with Cyclonic Wave Inverter Technology. The Panasonic Microwave Oven with Cyclonic Wave Inverter technology is a top-notch kitchen appliance designed to make cooking faster and more convenient. The unique Cyclonic Wave technology ensures that food is cooked evenly, delivering powerful, consistent heat in every direction. Unlike regular microwaves, this model prevents those annoying hot and cold spots, so your meals come out perfectly cooked every time. This microwave is spacious, with a 1.6 cubic feet capacity, making it suitable for cooking large meals or reheating multiple dishes at once. With 1,250 watts of power, it heats food quickly and efficiently. The inverter technology not only provides consistent heating, but also maintains the flavor and texture of your dishes, whether you're defrosting, reheating, or cooking. It also includes a sensor that adjusts the cooking time and power based on the food, so you get the perfect results without any guesswork. With its refined look, intuitive control panel, and spacious digital display, this microwave adds a contemporary vibe to your kitchen. It offers a range of preset cooking options like popcorn and beverages, making it extremely convenient to use. At approximately $280, it's a great buy for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. The advanced Cyclonic Wave Inverter technology, paired with its strong performance and stylish design, makes it an essential addition to any kitchen. Ready to step up your cooking game? Click the link in the description to grab yours now. Number 4. The Panasonic NN-SN65KB Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NN-SN65KB Microwave Oven is a top choice if you're looking for a high-quality, powerful microwave with advanced features. One of its standout features is the inverter technology, which ensures even cooking. This technology helps maintain the texture and flavor of your food by delivering a consistent stream of power, rather than the usual stop-start method of traditional microwaves. This means your food gets cooked or reheated evenly, without those annoying cold spots. With a spacious 1.2 cubic feet of interior space, this microwave can handle everything from popcorn to large dinner plates. The 1200 watts of power allow for fast cooking, and the microwave also includes handy pre-programmed settings for foods like pizza, vegetables, and soup. You'll also love the quick 30-second button, making it perfect for a fast snack or meal. The sleek black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen, while the easy-to-read control panel makes it simple to operate. Plus, it features a child safety lock to keep little ones safe. The microwave's sensor cooking feature is another great addition. It automatically adjusts power and cooking time based on the type of food, taking the guesswork out of mealtime. This microwave is available for around $180, offering great value for its advanced features. With its powerful performance, modern design, and convenient functions, it's a fantastic investment for any kitchen. Don't miss out on upgrading your cooking experience. Click the link in the description to get this Panasonic microwave today. Number 5. The BLACK+DECKER Digital Microwave Oven. The BLACK+DECKER Digital Microwave Oven is a stylish and efficient addition to any kitchen. It has a 0.9 cubic foot capacity and delivers 900 watts of power, ensuring that your food is cooked quickly and evenly. This microwave comes with 10 power settings, a convenient clock, and a kitchen timer. The easy-to-use control panel and large LED digital display make operating this microwave a breeze. Plus, the 30-second express cooking button speeds up the process when you're in a hurry. This microwave comes with handy preset buttons for all your favorite meals like tea, eggs, pizza, frozen veggies, and more. Plus, the child safety lock keeps little hands safe from any accidents. It has a removable 10.6-inch glass turntable for even heating, and the push-button door makes it super easy to access your food. With its stylish stainless steel finish, it fits perfectly with any kitchen decor. This microwave measures 19.1 by 14.8 by 11.5 inches on the outside, with internal dimensions of 12.36 by 13.6 by 8.7 inches. It's compact enough to fit on most countertops while still offering enough space for a variety of dishes. The 1-year limited warranty ensures peace of mind. Priced around $120, this microwave offers both quality and convenience. It's perfect for daily use and designed to last. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the link in the description to grab it now, and there you have it. Our top picks for the best microwave ovens in 2025. Quite a lineup, right? Do you agree with our choices, or are there other microwaves you think should have made the list? Got any comments, questions, or concerns? Drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you loved it, consider leaving a super thanks. It's like leaving a little tip that directly supports the channel. You deserve the best, so subscribe and turn on those post notifications if you haven't already. Trust me, this will be one of your best decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next top 5 video.